What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel. It's a little bit of travel day. It's kind of the end of the day, or it's pretty late in the day, I suppose. And we're stuck in traffic. And we also need gas. So it's not good. Alright, so we made it. We're at the Riviera Resort.
Push. What's up with that?
The door didn't open very well.
Oh, wait. This is not the elevator, is it? Okay, so we just checked into the Riviera and we are staying in a Deluxe studio, and this is the shower here, the toilet. It goes into it goes into the sink area here. And then there's another shower tub combo. It's really nice. And they have a really nice full-length mirror, nice little chandelier. And this one goes to another room, like if you were gonna connect with someone. And I don't know what's in here. Oh, okay, so rather large closet, extra pillows, blankets, oh, an iron, more pillows, vacuum cleaner, full-size ironing board. That's kind of crazy. Laundry basket, safe. Oh, that's cool. It automatically shut the light off. That's cool. Everett really likes these doors. These pocket hole doors. Let's look at this shower some more. This is really nice. So it's got like the rainforest shower head and like a little seat. It's really nice. Okay, now let's see. Oh, okay. Here's a little thing you can put, I guess, your keys here. Trash and recycling. Oh, that's handy. A little coat rack. So the little kitchenette, microwave, full-size coffee maker, a nice little sink. It's even got like a little nozzle sprayer. Okay, so in here they've got ice bucket, coffees and teas, paper plates, utensils, things like that. And let's see, up here, oh, it's a toaster. What's this? Can opener? Wow. Cups. Is there anything up here? I don't know what that is. I guess it's the vent for the microwave. scrubbers and soaps. Another trash can. Fridge. This thing is cool, so I'll open that in a second, but it's a pull down bed. Those are pretty nice for saving space. And cute little kitchenette area, I guess, or dining area. And this is really cool too. So this is like a Murphy bed that you can pull down. So I saw a video where they talked about the painting on this, and this is a scene from Cars, the Cars 2, I guess it is. I don't know, the one where they're in Italy. Hey! Yeah. Look, you see Lightning McQueen? And here's the bed. It's got some storage in the front. And then there's like storage you can do under the bed. I already have my bag under there. And yeah, you want to pull this down?
It's a little harder than I thought it was going to be.
Whoa! Oh, it's 101 Dalmatians. Cool. I love the artwork. It's really neat. So, okay, this is our first room tour. Oh, I can't see.
Did you show them this?
Oh no. Okay. It was, like I said, first room tour here. Oh, Pascal. This is pretty cool. So there's just like the three of us staying in this room. So there's like plenty of room in here. I mean, you
There's
could.
a lot of room.
I mean, what is this? I said it's a deluxe studio, preferred deluxe studio, something like that. There's a lot of room in here. Oh, Everett's trying to call somebody. Okay, that's pretty neat. Pretty neat. Little balcony. You can see Caribbean Beach over there.
We're headed down to go get something to eat right now. Just got done eating. We had to order by mobile, and then they let us know when the food was ready, and then we were able to go inside and then eat. But we're back in the room. Everett is still running wild, but we know that he is exhausted. That's gonna be it though. I appreciate you guys watching. Have a good night.